In the enchanting realm of Rainbow Valley, a kaleidoscope of avian friends lived, including a bird named Harmony, whose plumage danced with every hue of the rainbow. Enter Sparkle, a newcomer with silver, diamond-like feathers. Sparkle's unique appearance sparked curiosity, and a divide formed in the valley. Harmony, seeing Sparkle's beauty, sought the legendary magical rainbow feather, a token believed to unite all birds in friendship and acceptance. The journey wasn't easy, but Harmony discovered that understanding and appreciating differences is the foundation of friendship. Overcoming trials and making friends of different colors and patterns, Harmony found the magical rainbow feather atop Unity Tree. Returning home, Harmony's acceptance united Rainbow Valley once more. Our tale's lesson: embrace diversity, appreciate differences, and celebrate the unique. Friendship thrives on understanding and acceptance. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell us your favorite Rainbow Valley bird in the comments. Together we can make our world more colorful and accepting.